I'd like to thank the Chamber and everyone else who's come out today to celebrate the ribbon cutting ceremony and dedication of the new showroom with us.
Metro Home Improvements was founded over 40 years ago to create an informative, professional, one-of-a-kind remodeling, renovation, and restoration company that focuses not only on building a quality project, but a company that provides a personal experience where client and company can work together and design the project of the homeowner's dream.